This is a simple little project. My wife bought 2 of these bins at one of the home stores, I guess. She needs it for the laundry room as sort of mini hampers for towels and dishcloths. So I'm going to make a little rack that fits on the wall where she can lift the baskets off and put them back on. And I'm going to set them at an angle, at a slight angle, so that it's a little more accessible. I seem to be building a lot of things for the laundry room these days. The first step is to draw the taper that you want on your workpiece. And in this case, I'm not going with any particular angle. I'm just going to go with a taper that looks good. There we go. Next, what you're going to need is a piece of plywood, a nice straight piece of plywood. And it's got to be wide enough so that you can build the rest of your jig. Take a sacrificial piece that's the same thickness as my workpiece. I'm going to line this up flush with the edge. So now we have that. Before you finish setting up your jig, take the piece that you've just put together, the plywood and the fence piece, raise your blade up, and then set your fence. And then we're simply going to flip this over. We're going to line up the other edge with the line on my workpiece. And that's all there is to it. Your jig is built and ready to go. I remove the brad nails and they just leave a small pinhole in your workpiece. These are only going to face the inside. If I'm doing a number of these, all exactly the same, I can reference them off this first cut and then repeat the steps that I took with the jig. That concludes making an easy taper jig, and perhaps the easiest jig you'll ever make. I've seen a lot of cool tapering jigs out there, and they've got lots of adjustments, and they work on the miter track on your table saw. If you can build it simpler and it's going to work just as well, why not do it? If you don't have a brad nailer, you can use a hammer and some finishing nails, but the brad nailer is ideal because it leaves a very small pinhole. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.